Start of the second quarter, Cup game, Filipino versus Mavs Phenomenal.
Coach Max gets the ball.
10,
Balik kay Ihot. Ihot, nag-handraw pa sa good screen by Vigo.
5 to shoot.
Ang ganda ng intention, pero may steal. Ihot gets the ball from Vigo. Ihot, binigay kay December sa low post. Daldagan na ni Jaime. Ang ganda ng Ihot, pero good screen. Pero may kapit.
Pick ni Montalvo,
Talbo.
34-30.
34-30. Naganagan ang Mavs. Barako to the Phoenix with a short jumper basket.
Martinez, short jumper.
32-30.
Igor.
And Erdasi substitution. Pumasok na dito si Erdasi.
10 to shoot.
Ighot, dinadrive at the left-hander. Wala ni Siyempre. Pero may puso. Barako. Binigay sa gilid. Barako, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by the Siyempre. Here comes Coach Max. Coach Max against Kevin Barako. Erdasi. Erdasi. Binigay sa Ighot.
10 to shoot.
Coach Max fakes, steps back, wala. Erdasi pinarebound and a putback.
Basket by Erdasi.
Kumopi. Nice fake.
2-for-2 by
Kevin Barako.
34-36.
Ighot, dadali ng bola pababa para sa Mavs Phenomenal. Ighot, directing the play para sa Mavs.
10 to shoot.
Lagaan ng mamamatahan. Binigay kay Disyembre.
Ha.
Disyembre. Against Jaime. Umilalim. And
3 seconds. Line ball.
Kevin Barako against Sanchez. Erdasi. Tono, binigay sa gitna. Clarito. O Malan,
Malan,
basket para kay Malan.
36 all.
36 all is the score. Sanchez. Pababa ang bola para sa Mavs.
9 minutes.
Coach Mavs. Dumidiskarte.
10 to shoot.
Pero tabing ang bola sa likod. May hawak na tinawag ang referee. Sanchez to Erdasi. Balik ni Skid Sanchez.
10,
Montalvo with a screen. Good.
5,
Para.
Butas!
Binigay sa gilid kay Jaime. Jaime with a short jumper. Basket.
Basket
For
by
that game
Jaime.
All-Stars.
Change rebound to Cup game.
38-36. Ben Sanchez para sa Mavs. Screen kay Lander. Erdasi.
10 to shoot.
Bola pero good steal. Here comes Barako for a breakaway. Basket there.
Basket by
Kay
Barako.
Barako.
40-36 in favor of Cup game.
Timeout. Deep Beno.
Binigay Sean. Sean against Phoenix. Sean Ilan. Binigay good pass. Tres. Wala. Rebound by number 13.
Malan.
Galupinis, balik kay Malan. Pero may foul. Second free throw, pasok. 41-36, lamang ng Cup Game All-Stars. Ken Sanchez,
41-36 Sanchez.
binigay sa gilid. Lander against Jaime. Lander posting, backing up.
10 to shoot.
Tawag mo na po yung champion Rick against Sanchez. Against Tono.
Ball.
Ken Sanchez. Drive, fake. Napakagat si Jaime. Basket by Ken Sanchez.
38-41. 3-point lead by God Game.
Against Sanchez. Nabitawan ng bola. And my foul before the fast break in quarter. Ken Sanchez. Pababa ang bola para sa Max Phenomenal. Nagana sa mga pasahan. Good defense by number 20. Basket. 2 for 2.
For 2-40-41.
Sang lamang ng God Game All-Stars. Barranco against Ken Sanchez. Dalong finish to Jaime sa gilid. Takes the jumper. Basket by Jaime.
By Jaime.
And a timeout is called.
Time out.
40-43. God Game.
Team penalty.
Binigay kay Sean. And good steal. Magawa ng bola. Balik God Game All-Stars. Barranco, binigay kay Servano and drives, balik kay Barranco dun sa gilid.
Barranco.
God Game All-Stars.
45-40.
Servano, 100 basket.
47-40.
And Ken Sanchez para sa Mavs against Servano. Ken Sanchez naghanap ng mga pasahan. Takes the ball. And my foul. Basket.
41-47.
Kevin Barranco, balik kay
6 minutes remaining.
Ito dalong finish against Migo. Good help by Sanchez. Dalong finish takes it all the way, pero basket.
Last throw. 2 for
Basket again.
2 by Wilmer Dalawines. 49-41. 8-point lead by God Game All-Star.
Against Saban. Sanchez, Sanchez. Balik kay
Coach Mavs for 3.
Wala.
Good.
Rebound by Sean.
Sean.
Good handoff to Pico. And basket para sa Mavs. Animan naman ng God Game All-Stars 49-43. Dalong finish makes the shot. Ken Sanchez against Servano. Sanchez.
10 to shoot.
Steps back. Tiro ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Coach Mavs. Fakes.
10 to shoot.
Balik kay Nico. Balik kay Coach Mavs.
5.
Ken Sanchez, 5 seconds. Sumira ng tres. Wala. Tono gets the rebound. Here comes God Game All-Stars. Tono, Pinrecho, basket! By Tono against Ken Sanchez.
43-51. Tono.
Grabe yung lipad na yun. Lander against Saban.
Traveling violation.
Sabi ni
Dinson Randy.
Dixon against Sanchez. Servano against Ilan. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Tono sa ilalim pero good defense by Miko. Ken Sanchez. Daldalin ng bola po baba. Sanchez. Nakikita ng butas. Basket!
Points by Sanchez.
Last 4 minutes.
45-51.
Maalan. Pass break sana pero nabitawan ng bola. Dixon.
10 to shoot.
Dixon against Nico. Saban. Dixon.
Five.
Against Coach Max, binigay sa gilid. Malan! Win siya.
Points by Malan.
45-53, 3 minutes 25. Ken Sanchez with a 3!
By Ken Sanchez. 48-53.
Mabilis na pangyayari. Interest na yun. Malan, jumper, basket.
Basket by Elnel Malan. 48-55.
48-55, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Good defense by God Game All-Stars.
10-0.
Coach Max gets the ball. Pinalik kay Ken Sanchez.
Oh.
It's Dixon with a fall-away basket by Ken Sanchez. Ang
50-55.
ganda ng fall-away na yun. Nahine, pinigay sa ilalim. Pero may foul na nila. Lance dance. Lander against Sapan. Basket with a hook shot. Basket yun para kay Malan.
58-52.
Last 2 minutes, second quarter. Time to shoot. 5.
Steal by
Dixon with a layup.
basket by Dinson. Foul.
Pasok
1 of 2.
for Mavs.
54.
53-60, 1 minute 26. Dixon, balik kay Tono. Ang ganda ng fake na yun. Pero wala, hindi mo mas kikiran. Montalvo.
10-0.
Na rebound. Tono with a 3. Supply. And balik. Ighot against Tono. Good defense. Good steal sana pero good pass. Montalvo gets the ball. 1 minute remaining. 53-60.
10-0.
Ighot drive. Pinalik kay Coach Mavs. Coach Mavs balik sa ilalim. Montalvo!
Elbow for
Posterize.
the rise. Top. 55-60.
30
Sa
seconds.
hili, Karin Banan win. Banan. Basket.
Malan. First. Last throw by Malan.
2 for 2.
55.
28 seconds remaining, second quarter.
60-55 pass break to Ighot.
Ighot.
Binigay kay Lander. Good fake. Basket for Mavs.
55, 60,
15.
57, 62.
Dixon. Against Ighot. Good
10
defense.
seconds remaining.
5.
Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim pero umagat sa beke sila.
2 for 2 by Tono.
Time out. Mavs phenomenal. Coach Mavs. Siyempre. Wala.
Good.
Sayang yung tira na yun. Pero
And
that's
the
the
first
end of the third or second quarter. Magbabalik yung kami. For the fourth or for the third
7,
quarter.
64. Favor of Cap Game, Iloilo.